No, he's stolen even the voice of the children.
Ugh, he really has. He's a thief!
Pearl
It
is
sounds
running
like-
away.
It sounds like Pearl has one of those tin cans with a string on it.
Trying to lower it so the mic picks up while still keeping the
It's
Pearl
fine.
voice.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's not easy.
We'll make it
We
happen
continue
later.
until you're eventually, he's a thief, you can't trust him.
He's a thief. You can't trust him. Pearl has laryngitis today.
Oh my god.
God damn it.
No. Nuh-uh. You're silent.
Mr. Nick.
That did come through.
That did.
Yeah, I figured as much.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because I'm losing my voice. I can't do her voice right now. You.
He's becoming lost in the squeak realm.
That was Mars crying. Not Pearl.
No, it's Pearl from now on.
No.
Yeah.